TSC is a reckless and irresponsible institution as it exists today. What they have done, for which they have not consulted and they have done it unilaterally, is unacceptable to us.
When she told the teachers to come back, she said, "You come back to Kenya." How do you talk like that? And you are a very senior person in government. That one is discriminative, and that lady should withdraw the remarks and also repost the teachers back. Actually, the teachers had no problem.
Tutakuwa tumesurrender kwa Al-Shabaab kama walimu hapana rudishwa haraka uwezekanavyo. Si kawaida yangu mimi kuzungumza kwa ukali, lakini nasikia uchungu. Kama watoto wetu hawasomi, kesho wakienda Al-Shabaab tutalaumiwa sisi.
I know that for the last 2 weeks we have been looking at this issue in terms of how we can support the education sector in the northeastern, but after this I will sit down with my colleague, the Minister for Education, and our colleagues, and see how we can move forward on this matter.